Where do you live?
I live in Zurich.
Where is Zurich?
It's in Switzerland.
Is it in West Switzerland?
No, it's in north-central Switzerland.
Is Zurich a big city?
It's pretty big.
How big is pretty big?
It has about 402,762 people.
How big is Zurich?
It has about 8.42 million people.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a Honda.
Is it new?
It was new in 2003.
So, it's pretty old now.
Yes, it is. But it still looks good.
Do you take good care of it?
Oh, yes. I wash it once a week.
Do you change the oil?
My mechanic changes the oil twice a year.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't. Do you?
I don't have a girlfriend, either.
Why not?
I don't know. Maybe I'm not rich enough.
Girls like guys with money.
They sure do.
They like guys with new cars.
I don't have money or a new car.
Me, neither.
But girls like guys who are funny.
Maybe we should learn some good jokes.
Where are you going?
I have to walk the dog.
What kind of dog do you have?
I have a little poodle.
Poodles bark a lot.
They sure do.
They bark at everything.
They never shut up.
Why did you get a poodle?
It's my mom's dog.
So she likes poodles.
She says they're good watchdogs.
Can I borrow $5?
Sure. Why do you need it?
I want to buy lunch.
Where's your money?
It's not in my wallet.
Your wallet is empty?
I don't have even $1 in it.
Being broke is no fun.
Even if it's only for a short while.
It's always good to have friends.
Friends will lend you money when you're broke.
As long as you pay them back.
Let's go to the beach.
That's a great idea.
We haven't been in a while.
We haven't been in a month.
The last time we went, you almost drowned.
No, I didn't.
Then why did the lifeguard dive into the water?
I think he wanted to cool off.
He swam right up to you.
And then he turned right around.
Maybe you're right.
Maybe we should get going.
Are you married? When did you get divorced?
I got divorced 2 years ago.
Why did you get divorced?
My wife left me.
Why did she leave you?
She said she didn't love me anymore.
Whoa. That's terrible.
Yes, it was.
Why didn't she love you anymore?
She fell in love with my best friend.
I'm bored.
What's on TV?
Nothing.
There must be something on TV.
Nothing that's interesting.
What about that new game show?
Which one?
Deal or no deal?
Tell me you're joking.
I loved that show.
I watched it once. That was enough.
It's on right now. Let's watch it together.
I like living here.
I agree. Pasadena is a nice city.
It's not too big.
And it's not too small.
It has great weather all year long.
It has the Rose Parade.
It has beautiful houses.
It has wonderful restaurants.
It has great schools.
It's close to the mountains.
The people are friendly.
I'm not ever going to leave.
We need a new mattress.
What's the matter with this one?
It's not comfortable.
It seems fine to me.
I toss and turn all night.
You should stop drinking coffee.
Look at these marks on my arms.
What are they?
They are bites.
Did the cat bite you?
No. The bedbugs in that mattress bit me.
Okay. Let's get a new mattress.
My laptop is so slow.
Buy a new one.
I would if I had the money.
Why is it so slow?
That's a good question.
Did you take it to a computer shop?
I would if I had the money.
Well, I guess you have to live with it.
Sometimes I want to throw it out the window.
You don't want to do that.
Why not?
You might hit someone in the head.
What's for dinner?
I'm not sure.
How about a pizza?
You had pizza for lunch.
But I love pizza.
Everybody loves pizza.
So why can't I have pizza for dinner?
Because you need variety.
What's variety?
Different things, not the same thing all the time.
You mean, like a pepperoni pizza instead of a cheese pizza?
No, I mean a salad instead of a pizza.
We need to save money.
Why do we need to save money?
Because we need to buy a house.
But a house is so expensive.
That's why we need to save money.
How much do we need to save?
We need to save enough for a down payment.
How much is that?
That's about $30,000.
$30,000. That will take forever.
Not if we save every penny.
Okay. Here's 7 pennies.
I'm upset with my mom.
Why is that?
I warned her about her new boyfriend. She didn't listen to me.
What happened?
I gave her $1,000 for her birthday. I told her to spend it on herself.
That was very nice of you.
I found out that she gave it to her new boyfriend.
Why did she do that?
He said he would buy her a nice ring.
What's wrong with that?
He went to Las Vegas. He lost it all gambling.
I hope your mom broke up with him.
Do animals talk to each other?
Of course they talk to each other.
What do they talk about?
They talk about other animals.
What else do they talk about?
They talk about food and the weather.
Do they talk about us?
Of course they talk about us.
What do they say about us?
They say that we are funny looking.
Huh? We're not funny looking. Animals are funny looking.
We're funny looking because we wear clothes.
I have to clean the house.
Yes, it's very dirty.
You can help me.
Why me?
Because you helped make it dirty.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to clean the bathroom.
Oh, that's easy.
Clean the sink, the tub, the counter, and the toilet.
That's a lot of work.
Tell me when you finish.
I don't think so. You just give me more work.
You're watching too much TV.
What do you mean?
I mean you're wasting your life.
I'm having fun.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I care. Do something.
Okay. I did something.